to the face, now I'm high like a blunt. Got too many hoes on my side like a pimp. Too many thoughts, sipping that drop, sipping that walk, bust on that AP to watch,
Drusilla.
All right, where y'all from?
Fredericksburg.
So what is there to do out there? It makes sense.
Yeah,
Nothing? All right, I said that. All right, so we're going to play Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader, right? So let me just see what the first question is. Okay. How many inches are in a centimeter?
There's none. Wait. Centimeters in an inch or inches in a centimeter?
Whatever you think it is.
Inches in a centimeter? Inch is bigger than a centimeter, so there can't be an inch.
Just give me your answer. You don't think it's... You right?
Really, nigga?
Yeah, you right.
What'd you say? Yeah,
There's none?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Wait. It's a plot twist.
No. Yeah. Y'all right. All right, next question.
Oh, no, he's wrong.
What goes up but never comes down?
People.
That's your answer?
Yes. What goes up but never, let me think. Goes up, never comes down. Up. Hold on, I'm getting there.
Take time. I know this hard.
You say?
Yeah, I know this hard.
Maybe we can say the clouds. They always up there. They're not gonna come down.
You know
Oh
what?
wait, fog.
Fall? Oh,
Yeah, 'cause the fog comes
you might be close. You might be close. I need your answer though.
Goes up, never comes down. Because you never like pass. Well, you said people? Yeah. People pass. Oh, but we down now though.
Well, but if you go up, you're probably not gonna go back down. So. Yeah.
I mean, did Lil Nas go up?
I'm gonna go with the balloon.
All right, I'm here with.
Hennessy Banks __.
Okay.
Baby. Rashay B Top Shop.
Okay. So, when did y'all graduate high school?
2017 honors grad, baby. 2020. 2010.
Okay. And y'all would say y'all pretty smart, right? Y'all pretty smart? Okay, so we're just gonna see if you're smarter than a fifth grader. Okay? Let's ask you a couple questions.
Kids be smarter than grown people. Just so y'all know.
All right. Look. First question is, what goes up but never comes down?
What goes up but never comes down? A dick. They do go down. No, it don't. Not if you keep it up. Right. He asked. A balloon. Bullshit. What goes up and never comes down? A bird. Shut up.
What's your answer?
What goes up, never comes down? The sky. You know that's thinking hard. A balloon. A balloon go up and it don't come down. Oh yeah, a balloon.
She got it. She got it.
Okay, that was number one.
All right, that was number one. Let's see.
That was just number one, bitch. That's always the easy one.
Let's see.
Baby, one more time.
All right, I got y'all. Since y'all want to get a little smarter, what has 3 inches but can't walk?
A snake? A ruler? What has 3 inches? That's what you said. Inches or itches? A snake. It can't walk. 3 inches but can't walk.
Yeah.
A fish.
Yeah. Alright, I'm finna get disrespectful in this motherfucker. Look.
You right.
You right.
She right.
All right. You right. So
You right.
We so smart, bitches. Ha!
Ooh, damn, I'm finna.
Come on. What you got? I'm ready for the third one. Baby, you gotta take the third. You got this one, baby. Baby, you got this one. Damn.
Go crazy.
You wanna I said.
Hey.
All right, look. Third question is.
We promoting our party.
All right, look. The third question is.
It's a party. Go ahead, third question.
Third question is, if you cut a kilogram in 3s, how many do you have?
Go that way real quick. You said what? I didn't get a question.
If you cut a kilogram in 3s, how many do you have?
Why you ask me this? I ain't got none.
Got none. I don't know. I got nothing for.
Kilogram. That's 3. You cut it. 1, 2, 3. That's syllables. Kilogram. Is that right?
That's right.
Oh no! Fucking.
All right, today I'm here with.
Mackenzie. Kira.
So where y'all from?
Maryland.
Y'all get a pass. I'm from Maryland. What school y'all go to?
UMD.
Okay. So y'all graduated high school, right? And y'all in college. What year? Freshman. Okay.
Freshman.
What's y'all major?
Speech pathology. Business.
Yo, I never heard of yours. Like, what is it?
I mean, it helps people like who have like speech impediments and stuff. Like,
Okay,
help
I
them talk.
follow that. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. All right, so look, we're gonna find out today. Are you smarter than a 5th grader?
Oh my.
See, I told you I was gonna violate. So I just want to put y'all brain cells to the test. Y'all ready? All right. First question is, what goes up but never comes down?
Ask her first.
I'm gonna sound dumb as shit. I don't know.
You got this. Come on.
What goes up and never comes down?
You know this.
Do I really though?
Yes, you do.
I don't know. Kara, you got this.
No, I don't. You got me. I'm dumber than the refrigerator. You got this one.
Miss me?
Come on, just
What
guess.
goes up but doesn't go down?
Yeah. No. Yeah. What goes up but doesn't come down?
A person? I mean, you can grow up, but like, right?
You're right.
Okay.
You're right.
Okay.
I like that. What has 3 feet but can't walk?
A stool. Oh, wait, no, that was dumb. Ignore that. That was wrong. Go to her. That's legs.
No.
3 feet.
It's not called a ruler.
A yardstick?
There you go. There you go.
Oh,
There you go. But wait. Let's pause for a second. Let's go back to you. Did you say a chair?
No, because listen, right? Chairs have legs.
4 legs.
A stool. I didn't say a chair. I said a stool. A stool usually bounces on 3.
You said a chair.
I said a stool. Run the footage. You got the clip.
I got the audio too.
Play that shit back. I said 3. I said a stool, which would have 3 legs, not 3 feet.
It's okay. I'm gonna let you slide. You earned that one. But look, I appreciate it. All right, today I'm here with.
Leah. And Treasure.
All right, where y'all from?
Jersey. Yeah, Jersey.
Okay, so y'all graduated high school, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You in college?
Nah. Not yet.
All right. What would you say what was your GPA?
2.5. She's dumb as shit.
What was your GPA?
3.5. I'm alright.
We gonna see today.
That bad.
All right, look.
But I kind of cheated my way, so I mean, it don't really count. I don't know. Kind of cheated my way.
Okay. First question is, what goes up but never comes down?
Bro, the sky. The sky, stay up, don't it?
Yeah. Alright, I'm finna get disrespectful in this motherfucker. Look.
That's your final answer? What you trying to look over here for? That's your answer. That's your answer?
That's it, I'll go with that.
All right, you're right.
I'm right?
Yeah, you're right.
Are you for real?
You're right.
I'm right. For real?
Well, I got a lot for it.
Okay.
All right. Next question. Okay, what has 3 feet but can't walk?
Like it does like a what's it called? Oh no, like a isn't that like a meter stick? Ain't a meter like 3 feet?
Really, nigga?
Octopus.
That's 8 feet,
That bitch be
bitch.
swimming.
And it's like a meter, like ain't a meter like 3 feet? Like a meter stick. That's gonna work, right?
Bro, you smart.
A meter, 3 feet. So a meter stick like a ruler. It got 3 feet.
You see that? That's called knowledge. She got knowledge. She got knowledge.
Okay.
You got it right. You got it right. Next question.
That wasn't even an answer, but okay.
That was the answer though. God damn.
Your bestie.
So look, all right, look. If I give you 5 apples, but take 4 away, how many apples do you really have? Now think about this really hard, because it's not what it seems.
If you give me 5,
And I take away 4.
You take
but
away 4.
it's not as obvious as it seems. It's a trick.
Trick you, bestie.
no, he's not trying to trick
Yes,
me.
he is.
If you gave me 5 and you take away 4, no, because you say you gave it to me. Now, if you said I have 5 and I take away 4, well, then I never had nothing because you never gave it to me. But you said you gave me
Boy, if you don't get
5, but then you took away 4, so that's 1.
You're right.
Okay, so you trying
What's your answer?
I already answered.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
What was your answer then?
1.
Are you sure?
Yes, I
Oh,
probably.
that's wrong.
I don't care.
What's the answer?
It's 1.
So then why you lie?
Cause you was lying.
Okay.
All right, last question. Now y'all gotta get this right, or y'all just dumb as hell. How many inches are in a centimeter? Huh?
None.
All right, now stay right there.
Smaller than that.
You sure you want to take her answer? Cause
Cut the scene. I mean,
no, answer. You gotta answer. No.
That don't even make that.
Hold on. I'm gonna give it to you. I want her to answer. No. No. What you doing? What you searching over there?
Really, nigga?
What you searching over there? Wow.
bro, chill.
That's how we coming? You gotta search it?
Siri, how many inches in a centimeter?
Wow. That's
Yeah, man, come up and say, oh, fuck!
crazy. Hey, man, you got it right, bro.
I got it
Bro,
right because I know.
I'm gonna put you back in school, bro. I need to get you a tutor.
go crazy.
But look, all right, I appreciate y'all. Go ahead, shout your Instagram out.